we want to do is catch and release the birds all within, at the longest, an hour. We want to stress the birds as little as possible, so it's to catch them, band, weigh, release. But you can imagine, I mean, just to be captured by the giants that for them, we're just a bunch of giants. Hold them in our hands and put them in a little pocket to get their weight and so on. That's you know, I could imagine they'd be a bit stressed by that.
Oh, I've lost them now.
Well, I'd say Nev, there's 25,000
Yeah.
good round number.
Yeah.
Round estimate.
They're gone. I don't see them, Pete.
Now there's a gull. There's that a gull. It's not a peregrine, is it?
No. No peregrines out there.
If the birds had been roosting on the beach like they were last year, I could tell you if there were fewer. But the fact that the peregrines kept them flying all the time, I was unable to really assess their numbers. The way that it's worked in the past is they arrive here in the low 20s, 21 to 24 grams, and they should double their weight in about 10 days. That was the way it was prior to the return of peregrine falcons, which are clearly much healthier than they were 10 years ago.
Look, here comes a flock from way up high.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that out there? Just a minute. Oh no.
That's a good flock. That's a good size flock. When I checked yesterday, I wasn't planning to band this morning because usually the morning tide is lower. Look, there he is. There he is. Merlin. See him? Oh, there's a bald eagle.
Yeah.
Boy, it's gonna be tough to compete with all these guys. The only reason that I'm doing it this year, last year was supposed to be my last year, and it's just that I was so amazed at the low weights we're getting and trying to figure that out that I just couldn't abandon without trying one more year. We've answered most of the questions. The only one that was left was this anomaly of low weights that I couldn't explain, and I've asked to let me try one more year to see if that was just a one-year effect or start of a new trend, because I think the birds might be changing their migration routes